Hey guys, and welcome in our brand new video from Unreal Trading. In today's video I will show you a new scalping strategy executed on a 1 minute time frame. Before we can continue to the rules for opening a position, we must add some indicators and change the settings for the best performance. We will start by adding a main indicator, so we will go to the indicator window, open it and search for the MACD. Then add the first indicator made by TradingView, the moving average convergence divergence. Click once on it, now you can close the screen. We will open positions based on its indicator, but this indicator still gives false signals, so we will add more indicators to filter out these false signals. For the next indicator, we will add the Kijun Sen indicator. So search for Kijun Sen and add the first one, the Kijun Sen Plus by Erwin Beckers. We will have to change some settings in this indicator, so go to the settings icon and then go to the style tab. We will make the color of the Kijun Sen yellow. We will make it 100% opacity and a little bit thicker, so now it's much clearer. For our very last indicator, we will add the Volume Oscillator indicator. Add the first one made by TradingView. This indicator is also good with the default settings. So now all our indicators are added, we can take a look for the steps for opening a position. So first you will see an example of a long position. So first we will look to our main indicator, so the MACD. What we want to see is we want the blue line to cross above the orange line like we can see here. Once this is confirmed, we can look to the confirmation indicators. So next we will look to the Kijun Sen. We want the market to move above the Kijun Sen, or the yellow line you can see over here. The candle must close above it. So if the candle opens under it and closes above it, it's also a valid trade. For our very last confirmation, we will look to the volume oscillator. The volume oscillator must be above the zero line. So now all rules are met, we can open a long position at the close of this candle and place your stop loss on the last swing low. We will target a risk to reward ratio of 2.5. This trade closed in 9 minutes with a 0.55% profit. I will show you one more example of a long position to make sure everything is clear. So first we will look to the MACD. We want the blue line to cross the orange line. We can see this over here. Next we will look to the Kijun Sen and the market is moving above it. The candle closes above the Kijun Sen. And the very last step is to look to the volume oscillator. We can see it's above the zero line. So we can open a long position at the close of this candle. Place your stop loss on the last swing low and again target a risk to reward ratio of 2.5. This trade closed in 11 minutes at a 0.42% profit. But before we continue, I want to introduce you to BitGet. BitGet is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges out there at the moment. Like other exchanges, you can do spot and futures trading, but on BitGet you also have copy trading. With copy trading, you can copy professional crypto traders approved by BitGet. This is fully automated and you don't have to open any manual trades anymore. If you register using the link in the description, you can receive up to $5,005 in bonuses. Now I will show you an example of a short position. So first you will look to the MACD. Now we want to see the orange line to cross the blue line, so the opposite from a long position. Next we will look to the Kijun Sen and we want to see the market moving below it and the candle must close below the Kijun Sen. For the very last confirmation we will look to the volume oscillator. For the volume oscillator we want to see the same as a long position, so it must close above the zero level. So in this case you can open a short position at the close of this candle, place your stop loss on the last swing high and target a risk to reward ratio of 2.5. This trade closed in 45 minutes with a 0.40% profit. I will show you one more example of a short position. So over here on the MACD, you can see the orange line is crossing above the blue line. Next we can see the candle is closing under the Kijun Sen. And for the very last confirmation, you can see the volume oscillator is above the zero level. So you can open a short position at the close of this candle, place your stop loss on the last swing high and target a risk to reward ratio of 2.5. This trade closed in 34 minutes with a 0.70% profit. I would like to thank you for watching the video until the end. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if this video was helpful for you, make sure to like. If you have any questions, please comment them below. I will try to answer all comments. See you next time.